Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Winder's channel. Today, we invite you on a magical journey as we create a stunning unicorn jewelry box. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world where crafts and fairy tales come together in perfect harmony. Join us as we bring the enchantment of unicorns to life. Once upon a time, people told a tale of a mysterious and beautiful garden known as the Secret Garden of Unicorns. Within this garden, unicorns lived in a world full of magic and wonders. The story's protagonist is a young girl named Lily. She was always fascinated by unicorns and longed to see them with her own eyes. One day, while playing in the forest, she heard faint tinkling sounds, like distant music. Following the melodic tunes, Lily ventured through the woods and across a babbling brook until she reached a hidden door nestled among the foliage. The door emitted a magical glow and featured intricate unicorn patterns. Gently, Lily pushed open the door, revealing a breathtaking garden before her. The garden was adorned with an array of vibrant flowers and plants, but the most captivating presence was the enchanting unicorns. They had colorful manes and pure white bodies, each adorned with a beautiful horn. As Lily entered the garden, the unicorns approached her, curious and sniffing her scent. They were not afraid but rather showcased their gentle and pure nature to Lily. Within the garden, Lily encountered a unicorn named Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver took an immediate liking to Lily, and they became the best of friends. Every day, they explored every nook and cranny of the garden, basking in its magic and beauty. However, within the garden, there was a special flower called the dawn blossom. This flower possessed magical powers, capable of granting any wish. Dreamweaver told Lily that the dawn blossom would only bloom with its most radiant petals on the night of the full moon. Lily harbored a special wish and decided to await the arrival of the full moon. On that fateful night, she and Dreamweaver stood before the dawn blossom. Closing her eyes, Lily whispered her deepest desire. When she opened her eyes, she was astonished to find herself transformed into a unicorn. Her wish had come true. Now, she could live in the secret garden of unicorns with Dreamweaver forever, never to leave. From that day onward, Lily and Dreamweaver lived joyfully in the garden. They leaped, raced, sang, and frolicked with the other unicorns, sharing endless happiness and friendship. This is a fairy tale brimming with magic and wonders, recounting the tale of a young girl who encounters unicorns and finds true happiness and her own bliss within the secret garden of unicorns. The design inspiration for this unique jewelry box originates from their story. We will showcase the process of crafting this exquisite unicorn jewelry box from scratch, using rainbow-colored glitter, dreamy seashells, and sparkling gemstones. Every detail intricately connects to the fairy tale and the enchanting ambience of unicorns. Through this video, we invite you to enter a world of creativity and imagination, where you not only learn the techniques of making a jewelry box, but also experience the charm of fairy tales and the magical essence of unicorns. Thank you for joining us on this whimsical adventure of creating a magical unicorn jewelry box. We hope you enjoyed witnessing the fusion of craftsmanship and storytelling. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative projects and enchanting tales. Remember, with a little bit of imagination, you can bring the magic of unicorns into your everyday life. Until next time, stay inspired and embrace the magic.